Google's AI mode is finally rolled out for all the niches, and we are not seeing our website like we had in previous version of Google search page. So after this big shift in Google search, how we can stay relevant and rank our profile, rank our website in the citations, so let's say in the site sections, and how we can force Google so that our content has the best context according to the search query. So in today's video I'm going to show you the perfect template for the home page using the AI, and that's gonna help your business to stay relevant. We are just using the same template for our clients and they start ranking in the AI. Okay, so let's go to the screen. I'll show you some of my top competitors pages first and some industry leaders pages first, and I'll decode their strategy, and we will also predict that they are going to rank in the AI mode or not. Let's start with the water damage restoration niche. If I search for some of the businesses, if I go and open like this one, and this, so just check the website. They have mentioned the services they are offering, then the additional services they offer, and the USP section, the testimonials, and the service area. They also have the custom map, and that's it. And they are ranking organically in the old search page. Let's go to the next competitor, the ATI restorations, the rest. Okay, so look at here, the hero section, the detail of the manager, the reviews, a text about the different services, the core services, and then additional services according to the area. They also talk about the industries, which commercial part, and then the again services sections. They support the community section, basically the areas they serve, and the FAQ section, and that's it. So right now we only go and look at two websites. Okay, on the screen you can see the homepage sections, the entire sections we need to have on the homepage. I literally did research using the help of AI. I'm just giving you some basic context of my research. You can look at how many data points we have collected, and after that how we added all of these 18 sections for the homepage. We did it for like all the pages: home page, service pages, location pages, area hub page, all the pages, and I'll walk you through each of them in the separate videos. Otherwise the video will be more than like 1 hour and no one is going to watch the entire. Okay, first data point was I get a list of top 20 cities of the US market where the need of water damage restoration was at their peak. Like throughout the year, everyone need the water damage restorations guy for help them. It could be residential or it could be in commercial industry. The second data point was we exclude all the directory websites. We include all the businesses. They are independent businesses and they are operating in the industry for more than 10 years, so that we can get the real website without any solid backlink profile, and they are purely ranking because of the content. Right now our goal is to identify which format is ideal to rank on Google without heavy backlink. Third data point was we identify all the websites which are operating in more than one city, or they are targeting more than one city, right? So let's say if we are talking about the Houston, all the websites we got for the research, they are targeting nearby areas also. Like they were targeting KT, they were targeting Sugar Land, Richmond, right? These are the top 3 data points according to the on-page. Then we got all the links, then precisely identify all the websites home pages, and we got the final structure for the home page. And I have the examples of the home pages, and I will walk you through step by step, and I will give you some context that why we have this section on the page and the reason of adding this section. So the first section is hero section. So all the websites we have seen, they started from the hero section. So just after the hero sections, we just added a review section. So when you land on any website, our main goal is to that just after reading the basic details on the hero sections, you can go and watch our past customers reviews, what they said about us, right? It's the best thing. Then call to action. While they are reading the reviews, we already send some positive message to their brain, and just after that we just place a call to action button. So the place of all the sections are strategically well planned. And if I show you any of the page, look at so this is the entire page we have built. So look at the hero hero sections. Hero sections is always about the area you are serving, and then a call to action and one or two your US. After that, just the reviews. Then after the reviews, the call button, so that they can directly call you without going further and without reading more stuff on the website. But it's still, but if they decide to go and read more about your website, then the next section should be about your USP. So eco-friendly approach, certified, 30-minute response time, health conscious method. Once they go through your USPs, now tell them more about the services and the sub-service, so that they can understand more about what services we are offering. So water extraction, structural dyeing, and all of these are the sub-services. Then again, after the sub-services, again we added another section of USPs. So our green guarantee, indoor air quality focus, and lower environmental impact. Then after this, again call to action. Then we talk about the residential and commercial section. So it's most important before you are doing a website optimizations, or before you are doing a new website for your client. Just make sure to do the research about that niche and about that area, and just look at some of the websites, what type of content, what type of sections they have on the website, so that you can clearly get all the sections, combine all the sections, and then you can build a mind-blowing and build the best website for your client, so that website will help you to rank in the new AI mode. And I'll show you the examples also. So the residential, the commercial, then the process, how we approach any kind of restoration process. So where from we start, and what are our final processes. Then some of before and after case studies. Then we talk about the insurance, because in the water damage restoration niche, almost you need to spend 40 to 80, sometime more than $100,000 for just clear the mess happened after the flood or any kind of leakage, maybe after the fire. So insurance is very key point, and it helps customers to make the decision much faster, because they can save hundreds of thousands of dollars, because you are working with all the big insurance of that state. And then again a section call to action. They can if they want to reach out to you later, they can fill a form or they can call you anytime. Then the comparison table. So let's say for all 5 to 10 different USPs, we compared our other companies with our own companies. So let's say response time, we provide 30-minute guaranteed response time, while the others they do 1 to 2 hours, but there is no guarantee, but we are offering 30 minutes guaranteed. So these are some additional points which help us to get more conversion, right? Then all the service areas, you have serving the map on the left hand side, and then all the areas you are talking about. Again, the common causes of water damage restoration. So the need of this section, because if user is still on the website and he reached to this section, now it's time to educate, so that he can take the right decision and he can reach out to us, and they can clearly convey the exact problem they are facing right now, right? So it's about the study material, the resources, some stuff, some educational content on the web page, and then about the company, history of the company, team members of the company, and then the FAQ sections. So all of these FAQs, they are related to the audience, they are related to the area we are talking about, the services we are offering, and the context actually. So let's say like all the content we were doing in the FAQ sections, most of our questions are follow-up questions. So like if you have watched my previous video I made for the Google AI mode, I talk about the follow-up questions. So we integrate all the follow-up questions directly in the FAQ section with the schema mark, right? And then the footer section. So this is how a perfect home page, you need to have all of these 18 sections, strategically go and create the content for all of the sections. Once you have the final page using these 18 sections, for most of the queries, you can see your website in the site section, and you can get more leads directly from this new AI mode feature. So act fast, just go and redesign the website, just optimize the entire website, and you will start seeing the great result directly from your website. So hope you enjoyed this video. You learn a lot new way of redesigning of the homepage of the website using the AI, and then share this video with all of your fellow members. They are struggling to get a perfect design for perfect sections of for the perfect section of niches they are working in. And don't forget to subscribe the video. That helps me to go and create more content for you. I can do and spend more time doing the research, and then can present something valuable for you, so that you You can keep learning directly from the YouTube. You don't need to pay additional to anyone. That's it, guys.